Hello again, traders. Right, I was going to post a picture of this because this is a hot off the press new set file. Had an idea to try something earlier this morning whilst I was flapping around in the sea, and on the face of it, it looks really good. This is the normal start and finish point. Finish point current date, start 24th of June 2024. And then I had a quick look. The report looks great, 2.12, good net profit, all that lot, although that doesn't really matter at all. I ought to mention, because I forgot to mention this in the last few videos, I had been designing these things to work with the prop firms. They're silly, good rules to teach you properly, in my opinion, discipline and whatnot, but pretty crazy rules if you're trying to get algos to work and so on. You've got to keep it below 5% drawdown. It's better just to put a few pounds of your own, as it were, or dollars, into a higher leverage account, in my opinion, and just earn the money yourself. Although actually high leverage isn't that necessary, as I'm finding out. 30 to 1 is more than enough in most occasions. But anyway, I digress. Look at the numbers here. Largest profit trade, 1,800 quid, 700. Average profit trade, 790, 540. And a nice little 2 to 1 win. So that all looks good on the face of it. In fact, it looks superb. Expected payoff 248. Incredible. And then graph. Then we look at these periods of sideways that you would have to suffer. And this is why that, I'm looking at new ways, like in the previous video, of high fast moves, high profit fast moves using compounding. Get your profits out as fast as you can, and it's just a new strategy idea. Because if we look at this, you've got a blip there, and you've got a high point there, 7th of August 2024, and you're underwater until the 17th of October. I mean, that looks nothing. But if you're living through this, as I am with a few of the demos at the moment, fast couple of months, and then it's just been all this lot since, which is why I'm concentrating on scalping bots, faster moving, profitable bots, and so on and so forth. These are all great, and if we've got, I don't know, 5 dozen of these, 60 of them or whatever, and all these different sideways areas are covered by the faster reacting, then all is good. Just put them on and forget about them. Maybe do a bit of manual trading or whatever. There has to be a way to do this in a safe and stress-free method. There has to be a way. And I mean, this is incredible in my opinion. But this point here, we've got a high point here, 31st of January, and it gets back to that level about there on the 7th of April. So February, March, you got 2 and a bit months, 9 weeks, and then off it goes again. That's very uncomfortable period there. So work in progress, and you can't rush this stuff, but every new idea I get, I make improvements. And as I said in the previous video, I had to backpedal on all the diversification of instruments in order to focus on, and exactly what I'm doing now, focus on the optimizing fewer instruments to cover all the different market conditions, the market cycles and so on. So, you live and learn this stuff, and this is like, it always is 5 steps forward, 3 steps back, or whatever the saying says. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day. I'm going to hit the beach again soon. The sun is absolutely amazing, and to think we're nearly in October, and I would be really, really fed up in the UK, counting the days to Christmas, as they say. I think I saw somewhere online it's about 15 Fridays to Christmas. Oh my God, I hate that. The name was so funny. I got it before Christmas last year, about 3 weeks before, and they still have Happy New Year and Christmas up in May, June. Some places, I'm sure there's still probably a Christmas tree in some places. They have a really, really relaxed attitude to everything over here. It's just crazy. Anyway, I thought I'd mention that. Have a good day, and speak to you soon.